Here in the I button and the description box below, you will get complete playlist of partial differential equation. Welcome to video number 32, and in this video we are going to solve fourth problem on the topic, that is method of separation of variables. If you go to the playlist from video number 29 to video number 33, you are going to see these five problems, and all these five problems are very important. And in this particular video we are going to solve this fourth problem. Okay, so let us start. The question says, using method of separation of variables, solve 3 del u upon del x plus 2 del u upon del y equals to 0, given that u x comma 0 equals to 4 into e to the power minus x. Okay, here u is dependent variable and x and y both are independent variables, so we can say u is a function of x and y. Here 0, it means the value is 0. It means when the value of y is 0, u equals to 4 into e to the power minus x. Okay, or you can say at y equal to 0, u equals to 4 into e to the power minus x. So we need to find u by the help of method of separation of variables. So the given partial differential equation is 3 into del u upon del x plus 2 del u upon del y equals to 0, and let's suppose this is my equation number 1. Okay, then let us see steps to solve. First step is assume the trial solution, that is u equals to x into y, where u is a function of x and y, capital X is a function of small x, capital Y is a function of small y. Okay, then put the value of trial solution in the given partial differential equation. Okay, let the solution of equation 1 be u equals to x into y. Okay, u equals to x into y, where u is a function of x and y, capital X is a function of small x, capital Y is a function of small y. Okay, here if you see in equation number 1, here we have del u upon del x. When u equals to x into y, it means del u upon del x equals to x dash y, and del u upon del y means x into y dash. Okay, x into y dash. So putting this in the equation 1, you will get equation 1 becomes, that is 3 into x dash y plus twice of x y dash equals to 0. Okay, now let us see what should be my next step. Separate the variables and assume it equals to same constant k. Okay, then take the separated variables individually and solve it so that we can find the values of x and y. Once you get the values of x and y, simply put this in this equation, that is put the values of x and y in the trial solution to give the required solution of the given partial differential equation. After finding the value of x and y, we will put in the trial solution, that is u equals to x into y, and that u will be my answer. Okay, so now take this to the right hand side. This will become 3 into x dash y equals to minus 2xy dash. Now we will go for separation variables. So we'll take this y to the right hand side, take x in the left hand side. This will become 3 into x dash upon x equals to minus 2y dash upon y equals to same constant k. Now we need to find the value of x and y. So separately we will equate this with this to get the value of x. Then after finding x, we will equate this to this. Then we will find the value of y. Okay, so solving x dash upon x equals to k upon 3. So we need to integrate on both the sides. This will become log x equals to k into x upon 3 plus log c1. This is integration constant for this particular integration. Now here we have 3 terms, out of which the second term is the independent of log. Okay, so we will multiply log e, because we know that log e whose base e is equals to how much, 1. So simply multiply log e with the second term. So this will become log x equals to k into x upon 3 into log e plus log c1. Okay, now take this to here, that is log e power k x upon 3 plus log c1. Now we know that log a plus log b equals to log a into b, that is log c1 into e to power kx upon 3. Now equate this with this, you will get x equals to c1 into e to power kx upon 3. Okay, this is the value of x. Now we will equate this with this, you will get the value of y. Okay, so here we will take this minus 2 to the right hand side. This will become solving y dash upon y equals to minus of k upon 2. Now simply integrate This will become log y equals to minus k upon 2 into y plus integration constant, that is log c2. Okay, again here we have three terms. Log is not present in the second term, or you can say the in the middle term. So we will multiply log e in the second term. So this will become log y equals to minus k into y upon 2 into log e. We know that log e equals to how much? 1. Yes, plus log c2. Then we'll take this here, that is log e to power minus k y upon 2 plus log c2. Okay, now we know that log a plus log b equals to log a into b, that is log c2 into e to power minus ky upon 2. Okay, now equate this with this. If you equate this two, then you will get y equals to c2 into e to power minus k y upon 2. This is the value of y. So here we have the value of x and y. Now we can put the value of x and y in this equation. That is, yes, here u equals to x into y. So u, which is a function of x and y, is given by c x into y. What is x? That is c1 into e to power kx upon 3. What is y? That is c2 into e to power minus ky upon 2. Now simply multiply both. You will get c1 c2 into e to power k into, yes, here we have base common, so we can add the powers taking k common. Okay, so e to power k into x upon 3 minus y upon 2. Okay, now if you see in the problem, this thing is given, that is one boundary condition is given, that is at y equal to 0, u equals to 4 into e to power minus x. Okay, when y equal to 0, u becomes 4 into e to power minus x. So we'll put y equal to 0 in this particular equation. Okay, so at y equal to 0, u x comma 0 equals to c1 c2 into e to the power k upon k into x upon 3, because when you put y equal to 0, this term will disappear. Okay, so c1 into c2 into e to the power k x upon 3, this is u when y equal to 0, but this part is given, that is at, yes, y equal to 0, u equals to 4 into e to the power minus x. This part is given in the problem. Okay, so on comparing both, what you can say, that is c1 c2 equals to 4. Okay, on comparing both the equations, you can say c1 c2 equals to 4, and again the coefficient of x is k upon 3, and here the coefficient of x is minus 1. So we can say k upon 3 equals to minus 1. Take this 3 here, this will become k equals to minus 3. So we can say on comparing both the equations, the value of c1 c2 equals to 4, and the value of k is how much? Minus 3. So we can put these two values in this. Okay, so you will get u x comma y, that is the required solution. So we can say that is the required solution is given by u x comma y equals to, in place of c1 c2 we need to put x, sorry, 4 into e to power k. What is k? That is minus 3. Minus 3 into x upon 3 minus y upon 2. Okay, now if you take this minus 3 inside this bracket, this will be 4 into e to power 3 gets cancelled. What is left? That is minus x plus plus negative negative will become positive 3y upon 2, and this is what, this is my final solution. Okay, thank you so much.